My name is J. Abhishek. My roll number is 244G1A0505. Branch CSCA. Subject Discrete Mathematics and Graph Theory. Subject code 23MAT07. Topic: Find out the coefficients of a square b cube c square b power 5 in the expansion of a plus 2b minus 3c plus 2d plus 5 whole power 16 using multinomial theorem. Topic: Find out the coefficients of a square b cube c square b power 5 in the expansion of a plus 2b minus 3c plus 2d plus 5 whole power 16 using multinomial theorem. The coefficients of a in the expansion of a plus 2b minus 3c plus 2d plus 5 whole power 16 is found by considering the general term of the multinomial expansion. The general term in the expansion of x1 plus x2 plus up to so on plus xk whole power n is given by n factorial by n1 factorial into n2 factorial up to so on nk factorial into x power x1 power n1 into x2 power n2 up to so on xk power nk, where n1 plus n2 plus up to so on plus nk equals to n and ni greater than or equals to 0 are integers. In the given expansion of a plus 2b minus 3c plus 2d plus 5 whole power 16, x1 equals to a, x2 equals to 2b, x3 equals to minus 3c, x4 equals to 2d, x5 equals to 5, n equals to 16. To find the coefficients of a, which is a power 1, we needed the term where the power of a is 1 and the power of all other variables b, c, d are 0. The remaining power is for the constant term. n1 of power of a equals to 1, n2 of power of b equals to 0, n3 of power of c equals to 0, n4 of power of d equals to 0, n5 of power of the constant 5 equals to 16 minus of 1 plus 0 plus 0 equals to 15. The coefficient, the condition n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus n4 plus n5 equals to 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 15 equals to is satisfied. The coefficient of this specific term of a power 1, b power 0, c power 0, d power 0, 5 power 15 is 16 factorial by 1 factorial into 0 factorial into 0 factorial into 15 factorial into 1 power n1 into 2 power n2 into minus 3 power n3 into 2 power n4 equals to 16 factorial by 1 factorial into 0 factorial into 0 factorial into 0 factorial into 15 factorial into 1 power 1 into 2 power 0 into minus 3 power 0 into 2 power 0, that equals to 16 into 15 factorial by 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 15 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 5 power 15, that equals to 16 into 15 power 15. This is about my topic. Thank you for giving this opportunity.